Do you really need to switch to dedicated winter tires every year? Or is a modern all-season tire enough to handle it all? Let's put two giants of the tire engineering to the test: the Continental AllSeasonContact 2, a versatile all-season tire designed for year-round performance, and the Michelin Alpin 6, a specialized winter tire built for mastery in harsh winter conditions. Which one truly delivers when it matters most? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet performance, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2, a 3-peak mountain certified all-season tire, excels in braking, stopping 1.7 meters shorter than the Michelin Alpin 6. It also handles corner 2 seconds faster, showcasing its superior agility. However, when it comes to straight-line aquaplaning, the Alpin 6, a dedicated Middle-European winter tire, takes the lead with 1.6 km per hour advantage. Both tires deliver a strong wet performance, but the AllSeasonContact 2 edges out in braking and handling. On snow, the Michelin Alpin 6 demonstrates its winter specialization. It stops slightly shorter, just 0.2 meters, and completes snow handling tests 2.1 seconds faster than the AllSeasonContact 2. However, in snow traction, both tires are nearly identical, with the AllSeasonContact 2 even showing a slight advantage in pulling force. Modern all-season tires like AllSeasonContact 2 have closed the gap, proving that they can perform well even on snow-covered road. In dry conditions, the AllSeasonContact 2 shines. It stopped a significant 4.5 meters shorter than the Alpin 6 and completes dry handling tests at 1.4 seconds faster. While the Alpin 6 is optimized for winter, these results highlights the clear advantage of all-season tires on dry roads. When it comes to noise, you might expect the Alpin 6 softer compound to perform better. Surprisingly, the AllSeasonContact 2 is quieter, producing 1 decibel less rolling noise. In rolling resistance, the AllSeasonContact 2 leads significantly, with a coefficient rating of 6.58 compared to Alpin 6 8.14. This translates to better fuel efficiency and cost savings for drivers. In summary, the Michelin Alpin 6, as a dedicated Middle European winter tire, excels in snow handling and offers unmatched confidence in winter conditions. On the other hand, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2, a 3-peak mountain certified all-season tire, demonstrates superior performance in wet and dry conditions, with better braking, handling, noise levels, and rolling resistance. It also holds its own remarkably well on snow, showing how far all-season technology has come. All-season 3-peak mountain certified tires like Continental AllSeasonContact 2 has closed the performance gap significantly. For drivers facing mild winter conditions, these versatile tires might just be the ideal solution, offering convenience and year-round performance without the need to switch to dedicated winter tires.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.